Cordless drills have become an essential tool for anyone looking for power and the freedom to move without being tied down by cords. So, in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best cordless drills available on the market and help you decide which one best suits your needs. If you're interested in checking the current prices of each cordless drill, or if you want to purchase one, I'll leave the links in the video description and the first comment so you can check them out anytime. We begin with the DEKO Pro, a cordless drill known for its versatility across various materials like wood, metal, ceramics, and plastic. Equipped with a 20-volt motor, it features 2 variable speed settings, from 0 to 350 RPM for precision tasks and 0 to 1350 RPM for jobs requiring more power. This drill comes with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery boasting 1.5 Ah capacity, ensuring ample runtime for DIY projects or light construction tasks. It also includes a fast-charging adapter, allowing for efficient recharging so you're always ready to work. One standout feature is its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 2.4 pounds. This makes it easy to handle for extended periods without causing fatigue, ideal for tasks requiring mobility and accuracy. Additionally, it comes with a complete accessory kit, including 10 screwdriver bits and 60mm magnetic drill bits, providing flexibility for a wide range of projects. The DEKO Pro is a reliable choice for those seeking a powerful yet portable tool, perfect for home improvement tasks or light professional use. Next, we have the BOSCH GSB 18V 490, a high-performance cordless drill designed for demanding tasks. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers 490 Nlbs of torque, making it perfect for tough applications while ensuring efficiency and long-lasting performance. This model stands out with its 20-position clutch, providing exceptional precision and preventing damage to screws during fastening jobs. The all-metal chuck enhances durability and ensures a secure grip on drill bits, improving the overall user experience. Despite its power, this drill is lightweight, weighing just 2.4 pounds, making it easy to handle for extended periods. Its impact-to-weight ratio is impressive, reaching up to 22,000 impacts per minute, making it ideal for drilling into hard surfaces like concrete. Another key feature is its 2-speed gearbox, offering flexibility for different tasks. You can choose between a high-torque mode with speeds ranging from 0 to 460 RPM or a high-speed mode that goes up to 1800 RPM, ensuring it adapts to any project. The BOSCH is a durable, precise, and versatile tool, perfect for those who demand efficiency and reliability in their drilling and fastening projects. Remember that all purchase links with the most up-to-date prices are available in the video's description and in the first comment. On the other hand, we present the INSPIRITECH, a 21-volt cordless drill designed to handle home improvement projects and even light industrial tasks with ease. Delivering a maximum torque of 330 Nlbs, it combines power and practicality, making it suitable for users of all experience levels. This model offers 19 clutch settings, ensuring precise control when fastening and protecting both materials and screws from damage. The clutch also shields the motor from potential overload. Its dual-speed control ranges from 0 to 350 RPM for fastening and 0 to 1500 RPM for drilling, letting you adjust the speed based on the task at hand. With a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, it accommodates drill bits from 0.03 to 0.39 inches, providing versatility for projects involving wood or metal. The package includes 2 21V lithium-ion batteries with 1,500 mAh capacity and a fast charger that fully recharges in just 1 hour, ensuring you're always ready to work. Weighing only 2.4 pounds, this drill is easy to handle, even for extended periods. Its rubberized grip adds comfort during use, while the built-in LED light enhances visibility in dark spaces. Additionally, it comes with a complete accessory set, including drill bits, screwdriver bits, and a convenient carrying bag. We continue this list with the Black & Decker LD120VA, a compact and lightweight cordless drill that's perfect for versatile projects. Powered by the 20V Power Connect battery system, this tool lets you seamlessly swap batteries with other devices in the same lineup, offering efficiency and convenience for every task. With a maximum speed of 750 RPM, it handles wood, metal, and plastic drilling effortlessly. Its 24-position clutch ensures precise control, preventing screws from stripping or overdriving, which is essential for achieving clean, professional results. The ergonomic soft grip handle is designed for comfort, even during extended use. This kit also includes 30 versatile accessories, such as drill bits and screwdriver heads, making it an ideal choice for drilling and fastening projects. In terms of additional tools, the package comes with a 20V lithium-ion battery, a charger, and a variety of accessories, including drill bits, screwdriver tips, and a magnetic bit holder for added convenience. If you're looking for a powerful, ergonomic, and versatile drill to tackle your DIY projects, the Black & Decker LD120VA is a fantastic option. Next on the list is the YOUGFIN cordless drill, a standout tool equipped with a 20V lithium-ion battery. This model includes a charger and a 1.5 Ah battery, ensuring long-lasting power for drilling into metal, ceramic, or wood. With 25+1 torque settings and 2 adjustable speeds, it offers 0 to 350 RPM for high torque and 0 to 1,300 RPM for faster drilling. This versatility makes it perfect for handling anything from large screw-driving jobs to precise tasks in tighter spaces. The power can be adjusted with precision, helping to avoid damage to your materials. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck allows for quick bit changes, while the ergonomic molded handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in tricky positions. The integrated LED light adds convenience when working in dimly lit areas, such as under furniture or in narrow corners. This kit also comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including a variety of drill bits, screwdriver tips, a flexible shaft, and a durable carrying case for easy storage and transport. It's a complete solution, ideal for drilling into wood, metal, or masonry, and for tasks involving screws, bolts, or nuts. The YOUGFIN cordless drill offers a combination of power, adaptability, and a compact design, making it a fantastic choice for any DIY enthusiast. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Continuing, we have the Black & Decker BDC-DD120C cordless drill, a highly reliable tool designed for drilling and screw-driving tasks. With a torque of 115 pounds and a speed range of 0 to 650 revolutions per minute, it offers outstanding performance on wood, metal, plastic, and other materials. One of its standout features is its lightweight and compact design, weighing only 3.15 pounds. This makes it perfect for working in tight spaces and ensures that longer projects can be completed without fatigue. Additionally, its 11-position clutch provides precise control, allowing you to adjust the power based on the surface or screw type you're working with. The keyless chuck simplifies bit changes, enabling smooth and uninterrupted operation. This drill is also compatible with the Black & Decker Power Connect battery system, which offers compatibility with a variety of tools from the same brand. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the cordless drill combines power, versatility, and comfort, making it a fantastic choice for a range of drilling and screw-driving projects. Finally, we present the DEWALT cordless drill, a top choice for anyone needing to tackle tasks in tight spaces over extended periods. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for accessing hard-to-reach areas without compromising on power. This model features a high-speed transmission with 2 speed settings, 450 revolutions per minute for precision work and up to 1,500 revolutions per minute for more demanding tasks. This flexibility allows you to adjust the speed for either driving screws or drilling holes. Additionally, its 300-watt motor delivers impressive performance, handling a wide range of applications with ease. The half-inch ratcheting chuck ensures your drill bits stay securely in place during use, preventing slippage. For added comfort and control, the drill comes with an ergonomic handle designed to minimize fatigue and improve efficiency throughout your projects. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the DEWALT combines reliability, power, and ergonomic design, making it a versatile tool for tasks ranging from light fastening jobs to more demanding drilling applications. Well, that's it for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect cordless drill, or if there's another cordless drill you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info and the latest prices for each of the products, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.